Hello everyone, I am Pankaj Wade, Faculty of Electrical Engineering in Sijganga Polytechnic College, Vani. Today I am going to teach you about transformer. Today's topic is Introduction of Transformer. As we all know that transformer is a very important device in our electrical engineering. So friends, natural question arises that what is meant by transformer? Transformer is a static device. Static device means in this figure you can easily see that whether it has any rotating part. No, that's why we called it as static device. What is the function of this device? It transfers power from one side to another side. It is only going to change your voltage level and transformer from one circuit to another circuit without changing power means it is constant power device. If we have applied here, suppose X kilowatt power, then here we going to get nearly X kilowatt power. Means whether it is going to change your quantity of power? No. In this device our power is constant, but it can change our voltage and current level. Means we get voltage is different in this case, as we all know that power is a product of voltage and current. In this condition, suppose that our power factor is unity. If voltage is increased, then naturally current decreases. Similarly, here voltage decrease means current increase. Okay, means what I am trying to say that ट्रांसफार्मर क्या करेगा, सिर्फ पावर वन साइड टू अनदर साइड ट्रांसफर करेगा और ये क्या चेंज करेगा, सिर्फ वोल्टेज एंड करंट लेवल. ओके, नाउ ट्रांसफार्मर डज नॉट चेंज फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ सिस्टम. मीन्स इफ हियर आई हैव अप्लाइड 50 हर्ट्ज AC signal, then in this overall system we will going to get 50 hertz at output also. Means if we apply 60 hertz, then we will get output at 60 hertz. Means transformer does not going to change frequency, therefore we know this device as constant frequency device. Now transformer has two windings which I have drawn here. This winding is connected to source, therefore we called it as primary winding. The winding which is connected to source is known as primary winding, and another winding, this is connected to load. Hence we called this winding as a secondary winding. Means winding which is connected to load is known as secondary winding. Also here I have indicated HV winding, LV winding. Means if we compare two windings, then a winding which have more number of turns is known as HV winding, and obviously a winding which have less number of turns is known as LV winding. मतलब जिस वाइंडिंग में अगर दो वाइंडिंग अपन कंपेयर करते हैं, जिस वाइंडिंग में ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स हो गए उसको अपन क्या कहेंगे, HV वाइंडिंग. मतलब इसमें क्या है, ज़्यादा टर्न है, तो ऑब्वियसली सेकंड वाइंडिंग में क्या रहेंगे, कम टर्न्स रहेंगे, इसलिए उसको क्या कहेंगे अपन, LV वाइंडिंग. एंड पहले बताया है आपको प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग. प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग मतलब जो वाइंडिंग अपने एसी सोर्स को कनेक्ट होगी और सोर्स साइड को कनेक्ट होगी उसको अपन क्या कहेंगे, प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग। एंड दूसरी वाइंडिंग जो लोड साइड को कनेक्टेड रहेगी या लोड को कनेक्ट करेगी उसको अपन क्या कहेंगे, सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग। ओके, these two windings, look here, these two windings these two windings are, whether it is electrically connected, you can easily see it is not electrically connected। मतलब ये दो वाइंडिंग कैसे है, दूर दूर प्लेस है, इन दोनों में कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल कनेक्शन है क्या, नहीं, ये दो वाइंडिंग कैसे है, अलग अलग। लेकिन इसमें ये जो स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है इसको अपन क्या कहते हैं, कोर। जनरली कोर इज मेड अप ऑफ सिलिकॉन, स्टील और CRGO मटेरियल। व्हाट इज लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ CRGO मटेरियल, कोल्ड रोल ग्रेन ओरिएंटेड। इट इज लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ CRGO, बट अभी के लिए इतना समझ लो कि ये किसकी बनी होती है, सिलिकॉन स्टील की। और ये वाइंडिंग जो रहती है वो बनी रहती है पावर ट्रांसफार्मर में कॉपर की और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ट्रांसफार्मर में एल्यूमिनियम की, वो अपन आगे देखेंगे, ठीक है। दिस टू एंड तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन है कि इन ट्रांसफार्मर टू वाइंडिंग्स आर इलेक्ट्रिकली आइसोलेटेड, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिकली कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं रहेगा, और मैग्नेटिकली कपल्ड मीन्स इट इज कपल्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोर। Therefore, we called it as, in transformer, two windings are electrically isolated and magnetically coupled. Hence, transformer is coupled circuit. Then, next point, it is singly excited device. Means, to excite these windings means to supply. It is let V volt supply V1. Because of this V1, I1 current going to flow through the winding, and because of current flow in the winding it going to induce some flux, and this flux is going to transformer is singly excited device. What is mean by singly excited device? Here, look here, we have given a single AC source. Because of this, current is flown in this primary winding, and because of this flowing current, flux is produced in this winding, and this flux is traveling through core and link with the secondary winding. Okay, that's why if we place here, in this diagram we have placed only one winding. If we place two winding, three winding, it is going to energize two winding, three winding. That's why we called it as transformer is singly excited device. Means to work this transformer, only one voltage source or one EMF source is enough. Okay. Then it is constant flux device. You must know that in magnetic material flux is set up. Okay, here we have indicate flux by phi. Okay, because of this voltage source, flux is set up in this core and is going to link with LV winding, and because of this, by using Faraday law of mutual induction, we going to get here output, that is I2. Okay, therefore, and in overall operation it has a fixed magnitude of flux. Okay, therefore it is ट्रांसफार्मर। अब ध्यान रखिए, ट्रांसफार्मर को अपन क्या कहेंगे, कांस्टेंट फ्लक्स डिवाइस। इट हैज अ फ्लक्स constant in overall operation, that's why we called it as constant flux device. Then transformer is 4 terminal and 2 pole network. Look here, A, B, C and D are the four terminals, and here V1, I1, let us consider it as input port, then it is output port, or vice versa. Okay, that's it. It is our first lecture. If you have any query, please contact me, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.